guys, it's Fluffy Puffy here, and today I will be making a video to show you my Christmas toy review. Okay, first up, I have this toy. Every kid wants it, and I think I got the last one. You know. This is the pony with the doll. I got this for Christmas, and I don't have the battery, so it's not exactly gonna work. She doesn't usually have this shirt, but I just switched it because she has a twin. Her original shirt is this one. So, I just switched shirts to see what it looks like. And here's a pony. It's like pretty. Plus, I separated it like this so it didn't come out. Has a little thing to hold her waist. Has these two things so it can help dance. So it can dance. Okay. Let's see, I've done that already. We went to the next one. Okay, next up. Oh, and I forgot to say, the pony comes with this pretty necklace, and the dog comes with the hat. So next up, I got this weird game named Selfie. I don't really know how it works. They said you have to take a bunch of videos and stuff, and it's like so weird.
I don't think I learned a campfire.
What it looks like inside. Just take that off, and it has 4 stacks of cards. So basically in this game you really have to pick a card. The first player picks a card, and then the other players try to guess what's wrong. And it comes with this frame. You can either use this frame, or you can use your phone. Okay. Next up we have this. I got it from some Christmas thing. I already have one of these, but it's old, so this one is the better one. Some of them are broken and all that stuff. See? It says porcelain tea set. This is 8 years and plus. There's 13 pieces, but that's a lie. Look, 13 pieces. It says 13 pieces on it. Then why do I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There is no extra pieces. So they're lying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's only 12 pieces. Okay. Next up, we got this game. We got Twister. I got Twister. I didn't open it as yet. You can still see it has plastic on it. And I really wanted it because, wow. I wanted it because my friend had it, and you guys know I'm very flexible. I'm flexible, and I know a lot of gymnastics. So I wanted to see how good I can stretch. Okay. Next up, I got this. You can make molds with crayons. You have to plug this little thing at the back. It comes with its own hooky thing. Then I think this is it. Then you plug it to the back, and then you shove this in an outlet. Shove it in an outlet, and then it's gonna be on. You're gonna see a red light right here, this little dot, and then you have to press. Where's the button? You have to press this button right here, and then it's gonna go white off in the middle here, and you have to put the crayons inside here and push it down, and basically it just starts melting and then it dries up into the molds and then you take it out. But I'm having trouble taking it out, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I also forgot to say that the horse comes with this little thing. Just clip it to its mouth, like, and it snaps on. And next I have this Bootsy kitty. I'll just turn her on.
Guess what I caught? I'm really upset about that.
I also got this coloring book. It says Squinky Surprise Inside, Squinky Squashy Coloring and Activity. How is a Squinky's coloring fun? So we see the little cute figures of the babies. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Bye.